Are you ready for your Red Seal Plumber Skilled Trades exam? This won't hurt a bit, I promise. You don't have to do this the hard way. Let me show you. We have everything you need to prepare and feel comfortable in writing your plumbing exams. We can give you the study materials you need for the Plumber 306A exams. We have many more to choose from. Later in this video, I'll show you what the pages and content looks like. This study kit contains everything you need to easily clear your Canadian Red Seal exams. Here's what you'll get: complete lessons and readings for the Red Seal Occupational Standard and curriculum, 1,000 complete Red Seal actual exam bank questions with answers, Flashcards training program with questions on the front and answers on the back. This is everything you need to easily clear your Canadian Red Seal exams. Visit CourseTreeLearning.com to get your study kit.